Hello, I'm Mona, and today we are with celebrity chef Kunal Kapoor, who brings to the Tri-City his restaurant Pin Code at CP67 Mohali. Welcome to the Tribune, Chef.
Thank you so much.
So, Chef Kapoor started his culinary journey by being a student of hotel management here in Chandigarh 25 years back, and today he brings his restaurant to the city. How is the feeling?
Amazing. I never thought that the very college that I would start my entire culinary journey from the same city, I would be returning back after so many years to have a restaurant in that city. It's like a complete circle. And I'm glad that God gave me the opportunity to come back to the city that I've absolutely adored, that the city that actually shaped me, made me who I am.
Let's begin with the name Pin Code
Yeah.
and the idea behind this restaurant chain.
See, PIN code were very relevant 10 years back approximately, where if you had to send a chitti or a letter or a courier, till the time you don't write the PIN code correct, your chitti is not going to reach. Today's world, it's about send me the location, I'll be there. So PIN code in many ways have become very old and retro. And there is an old world charm that every PIN code carries. And across India, when you're trying to do a pan-Indian restaurant with food from different parts of the country, uh, you have these certain pin codes that denote a certain gully or a certain street or a certain vendor, the location of these places, which does fantastic food. So we picked up those signature pin codes and put them together to have our menu at pin code Mohali at CP67 Mall. And that pin code name stuck because it has a recall. It has that vibe. If you look at the artwork also,
जी.
it's very old style. जैसे वो stamped बनी हुई है वो
बिल्कुल.
artwork में, पुरानी एलिफेंट वाली, बहुत पुरानी है, 1 रुपये 1 आने की, कुछ तो ऐसी है, बहुत पुरानी. वो टिपिकल पंजाबी ड्रेस में वो जो लेडीज हैं,
जी.
वो पुराना इंडिया गेट वाली एक स्टैम्प है.
जी.
मेरी कुछ पुरानी फोटोग्राफ्स हैं,
जी.
वो ग्रामोफोन है. सो ऑल दैट ओल्ड वर्ल्ड चार्म इज व्हाट वी वांट टू imbibe with the kind of food that we are doing.
We believe this is Pin Code's fourth outlet
जी.
after Delhi, Abu Dhabi, and Dubai. So, what are the signature dishes that you've brought for the patrons of Tri-City?
So, because this is a flagship restaurant in Punjab, our first restaurant in Punjab and entry to Punjab, what we have done is that there are certain dishes that we have kept as a very different, very novel, only to the Mohali outlet. You won't find it anywhere else in any other pin code. Like something very typical, like a Changezi chicken, which is technically very Delhi food. But we don't have it in any of our restaurants, but we do it over here, which is fantastic. It's very tasty. Then Bengal ka chicken bhorta hai. Then we do beetroot kanji ki salad. We have a palak salli chaat. Salli is a Parsi name for thin, crispy potato straws. So uski chaat hai, which is very light and airy. So all of this is, and many more. We have got Amritsari kulfa. Which is fabulous. Which is right from the streets of Amritsar. Amritsar में उसे लाहौरी कुल्फा कहते हैं, but we call it Amritsari kulfa. And एक कुल्फी हमारे तिल और गुड़ और चिक्की के फ्लेवर की. So all of these things are very unique to only pin code at Mohali.
Going back in time, when you were a student here, what were your favorite haunts to eat out?
I think सेक्टर 34 या 35 में एक चैपलिन फास्ट फूड था. हम लोग वहाँ इसलिए जाते थे because he was very generous, because he knew ये students आए हुए हैं, and इनकी appetite अच्छी है. So he would give us extra portion and a little small salad free. So for a student who's looking to eat out with very less money, this was a very generous offer. So we would kind of be stuck to that place, or almost every dinner used to happen there. जब पैसे की किल्लत थोड़ी और कम होती थी, we used to go to a nearby dhaba where you buy any sabzi or dal for 10 rupees and the roti was unlimited. Then Amrit है मोहाली में. Then आप 42 सेक्टर से when you would go to Mohali, there used to be a गुरुद्वारा, उसके पास में फर्नीचर मार्केट थी. अब I don't think है, I don't know. तो वहां पर एक ढाबा होता था, एक आंटी चलाती थी, which was called आंटी का ढाबा. तो कभी हम यूनिवर्सिटी चले जाते थे, वहाँ पे पराठे मिलते थे. तो गेड़ी रूट पे गेड़ी मारी, फिर वहाँ पे पराठे खा लिए. I don't know if people will relate to Gedi route now or not.
They do. It's got a new name now. It is called Azadi route.
Azadi route?
Yeah.
Gedi was better.
Yeah. We are trying to balance the genders here. So, जी.
All of this. So,
what is now that you've traveled with your work, done so many shows, cooked for the celebrities? Personally, what is your comfort food?
My comfort food is whatever my mom cooks, and usually it is ajwain namak ki mirch ki paranthi with chini dalkar dahi. Somehow that's always been my comfort food. That is my go-to food where I just eat that and I feel very satisfied and happy.
And one celebrity meal that you prepared and enjoyed the experience of interacting with them?
Thanks to the trade that I'm in, I am lucky to meet some very interesting people throughout my career. But one of them that has always stuck to me is serving Mr. Bachchan, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. And it so happened that I was in Noida in my hotel, and I was very upset that day because it was my day off, and because it was short staff, and I was called on the shift that day.
Ji.
And I was very grumpy. And then Mr. Bachchan just happened to arrive. He went to the room and ordered for food. He asked for the chef. I was the only chef there. I had to go. So that was my lucky day. I remember he asked for something very simple. He's like, simple, हम लोग यूपी में यूपी स्टाइल जो दोपहर के वक्त तरकारी बनती है और एक सिंपल से आलू, वो आप मुझे फुलके के साथ कम तेल कम मसालों में बना के दे सकते हैं, मतलब होम स्टाइल, मुझे वो रेस्टोरेंट वाले हैवी नहीं चाहिए. I said absolutely. So I did that, prepared, went back to ask him. He was very happy. उस जमाने में कैमरा नहीं होते थे, फोन्स, वरना फोटो खींच जाती. बट वो यहाँ पे फोटो छप गई है ना, यहाँ पे दिल में और दिमाग में छप गई, वही बहुत है.
So, you've spoken in your interviews when you started, things were tough. There were long shifts, no offs. How have they changed over the 25 years now that you're running restaurants, doing so much work, writing, doing shows? How do you see the attitude of youngsters today?
Well, when I started, HR was there, but it was more to do for hiring and firing, and not really to monitor your work hours or your work conditions. But over the period of time, I've seen that hotels have moved from just being a individualistic business to a corporate structure.
Ji.
The moment there is a corporate structure that kind of stepped into hotels opening in India, there has been a wave of changes.
Ji.
HR takes lots of small little complaints also very, very seriously. You are still mapped about the amount of time that you spend.
Ji.
Has it gone out completely that you have very short hours? No. Or you have decent hours? No. It is still a trade which asks for more time. But then you have the liberty to say that, I need to leave. And we need to respect that. Because you can't be pushing people for very long hours all the time. So I think there has been some positive change and move, and very significant move, not a little, but a very significant move. And that goes towards the welfare of the people who work in the industry, which is very important.
Here in Pin Code Mohali, what are your favorite dishes on the menu?
Definitely try the Palak Salli chaat, because that is yum. It has a very nice airy yogurt with passion fruit chutney. Very, very tasty. It's our take on Palak Patta chaat. Try the beetroot kanji salad. It has that kanji wala flavor in the beetroot with avocados. It's healthier. It's a much more healthier salad. It doesn't have mayonnaise and all that stuff, but very natural flavors of fermentation of mustard. Try the malai broccoli if you're a vegetarian. If you're a non-vegetarian, Rajasthani mas ka sule, which is Rajasthani mutton tikka. Superb. You'll love it. I keep talking and I feel hungry again. And you should definitely try the pulao at Pin Code.
Ji.
So, up tak all our Pin Codes have biryani. This is the
Okay.
first outlet where we are doing meat pulao, chicken pulao, and veg pulao.
Okay.
Veg tawa pulao, very Bombay style.
Okay.
And this is the pulao that you'll fall in love with. Beyond that, we have very interesting desserts, from til chikki ki kulfi to दूध वाली ब्रेड, जो
जी.
पंजाबियों की होती है ना, दूध और चीनी और
चीनी. जी.
वो डाल के ब्रेड तोड़ के खिला दी, उसी का एक हमने वर्जन बनाया है, बहुत मजेदार है.
Ji.
I mean, I can keep going on. Chicken bhorta in the main course, chicken changezi in the main course. For the vegetarian, dahi ke kofte,
Ji.
definitely must try.
And apart from Pin Code here, we believe you have plans for other cities. What
Yes.
are they, and any other projects that are keeping you busy these days?
Well, I think pretty much it's Pin Code right now that's
Ji.
keeping me busy. We have plans to expand. I think if everything falls in place, we should look at Indore, we should look at Goa, Bangalore.
Ji. So Chef Kunal is here for a while, so the patrons can come and have a chance to interact with him. Any last message for our viewers?
Well, if you have any special day, please give us a chance to make it extra special. Dine with us. If you're feeling a little low, give us the opportunity to perk you up with our good food and service. We are a good spaced out restaurant. We are in right here at CP67 Mall, the place to be in Mohali currently, and we are at the third floor, and we are anxiously waiting to welcome our first guest.
Thank you so much, Chef.
Thank you.